What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here and welcome to my layering trance leads tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going over many different issues that you may face when trying to get professional, thick, full sounding trance leads. I'm going to be showing you clever tips and tricks on how to fix leads that start to distort in your melody's bass notes. I'll be covering things such as what to look out for when layering your leads rather than how many layers you may need. I'll be showing you ways that I layer my leads to save you running into issues later on in the track. We'll also be looking at each different layer and how they sit in the frequency range and what sort of characteristics you can implement in each band to complement the lead sound. I'll also be showing you tips and tricks for creating bigger lead sounds through the use of unique reverb and mid-side EQ techniques. And I'll be going into every little detail when it comes to the shape, sound, textures, positioning of each layer, sound choice, processing, effects and other common mistakes that can cause you to end up with unprofessional and thin sounding leads. All of this will be done in real time with no pre-planned layers so that you can see every decision made in the full process, allowing you to feel more confident when coming to create your own trance leads. So if you're struggling to get professional sounding leads and are tired of listening back to your tracks, wondering how to improve them, then be sure to check this out at allanmorrowstudios.com.